Doctor, is the meat on our table killing us? What is the story on antibiotics and our meat consumption?
That's a really good question. No, the meat on our table is not killing us. It's the job of the veterinarians to make sure that the meat that we buy in the supermarket is extremely safe for consumption and has no antibiotics in it at all.
How confident can we be that our meat doesn't have antibiotic residues?
Again, the meat in our supermarkets and that we buy is extremely safe and has no antibiotics. It's actually required by federal law that there are no antibiotics in the meat that is sold at supermarkets. Therefore, statistically speaking, there is a 0% chance that the meat that we buy in the supermarket has any antibiotics in it at all.
What is your role in keeping our food supply safe?
Veterinarians are actually extremely important in keeping our food supply safe. When antibiotics are needed in animals that are going to go to become the food supply, veterinarians make sure that we use the correct dosages and the correct way to administer the drugs, and we also talk to the producer or the owner to make sure that the animal is withheld from the food supply for a specific amount of time to make sure that all the antibiotic has left the animal's system. And there are also veterinarians that test the meat that is going to go to the supermarket to make sure that there are no antibiotics in it. So again, the meat in our supermarket is extremely safe and free of antibiotics.